As bird flu spreads among cattle and poultry, is it safe to eat beef and chicken? An article written by Nancy Schimelpfening for Healthline discusses the current outbreak of bird flu, also known as avian influenza, affecting both cattle and poultry in the United States. The virus, particularly the H5N1 strain, has been detected in multiple states, leading to concerns about the safety of beef and chicken consumption. Despite the detection of the virus in cattle herds, extensive testing of meat products by both the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, and the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has yielded negative results for the H5N1 virus. Both agencies remain confident in the safety of the meat supply, emphasizing that proper precautions and inspections are in place to prevent contaminated products from entering the food chain. Health experts, including veterinary surgeons and dietitians, assert that while bird flu is highly contagious among birds, the risk to humans is minimal, especially when following basic hygiene practices and thoroughly cooking meat and eggs. Direct exposure to infected birds or their waste is the primary mode of transmission, rather than person-to-person contact. Pasteurization effectively eliminates any bird flu virus present in milk and dairy products, ensuring their safety for consumption. However, caution is advised regarding raw milk from smaller producers, as it lacks the pasteurization process. The USDA provides the following guidelines for safe food handling, including thorough cooking and sanitation practices, to further mitigate the risk of contracting bird flu from meat and eggs. First, wash your hands with warm water and soap for 20 seconds, both before and after handling raw poultry and eggs. Second, keep raw poultry and eggs away from other food. Third, after cutting meat, wash your cutting board, knife and countertop with hot soapy water. Fourth, use 1 tablespoon bleach diluted in 1 gallon of water to sanitize your cutting board. Fifth, use a food thermometer during cooking to ensure an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 73.9 degrees Celsius for poultry, and 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 62.8 degrees Celsius for beef. In summary, while the ongoing bird flu outbreak is concerning, the risk to human health from consuming beef, poultry and eggs remains low when appropriate precautions are taken and properly cooked and handled products are consumed.